man, Pabo Kabalen, kumusta kayo po? My name is Louie and welcome to Where in Pampanga, where we help businesses promote their products to our Where in Pampanga community. For today's vlog, I am really excited. This is actually a great idea, no? Imagine having our favorites in a box. So they actually call this CRAZE in a box. A bite felt like a treat. These are actually parang mga, of course, bite-sized servings ng mga portions natin. The products that we received today are Kimchee-geken Oriental Cuisines. What a great idea. Let me commend you guys for having this put all together. Or you know what, probably this is already existing somewhere, but for me, again, it's my first time to see it. This is a really great idea. There are 2 boxes in which you can choose from. You can choose 8 of any of the following dishes that I will say. So the first one is onion rings, sweet and spicy nuggets, french fries, potato wedges fries, classic gimbap, fried kimbap, soy garlic wings, srircha butter wings, kimmari, triangle gimbap, bulgogi kimbap, cali maki, honey soy nuggets, and Korean egg omelette. So if you notice guys, yung sinerve nila sa atin, yung half are like chicken and then the other half are like Korean beef. Alright, so on my left naman, this is their 1,550. You can choose again 8 of any of the dishes that I'm going to announce. Starting with marbled potato, tteokboki, calamares, buttered shrimp, crablets, clubhouse sandwich, chicken biryani, mango sushi, avocado tuna sushi, ebiko sushi, japchae, and sushi donut. So you can actually choose from those and then put it in one box. I'm really surprised that they have come up with this amazing idea. Alright, so this is my attempt to taste everything, guys. Meron tayo ditong mga sausawan. In Kapampangan, we call this pilpilan. This is oh, I like it. Wasabi. Some soy sauce. We also have some sweet and sour dip. Okay. I'm gonna go first with this. If I'm not mistaken, this is ebiko sushi. Yeah. I'm gonna go for their mango sushi. So refreshing, so fruity. I like the mango. It's not too sour, not too sweet. Now this is their tteokboki. So this is a fried lumpia. I want to dip it dito sa sweet and sour sauce. More of the Korean dishes with this fish cakes. Yum, super yum. Of course, for the Korean food, you don't want to miss japchae. Long. Taste it. Wow. Super duper like it. Next is the sisig. Kapampangan sisig. I think this is chicken cordon bleu. Ciao. Oh, wow, so creamy. Yung chicken natin is not dry, it's not hard to chew. Plus, I like the ham or yung bacon na nasa loob. Right, so more goodies dito sa left box natin. These are their chicken nuggets. I think this is ito yung honey soy nuggets nila. Let's taste it. Wow. So another chicken nuggets from the box. Let's taste it. Oh wow. I think this one is honey flavor. A little bit sweet. And then we have some egg rolls naman. Oh wow. I think this is a bulgogi kimbap. Keep it here. Oh wow. So another kimbap I want to try is this yellow car right here. Wow. Alright, so guys, I don't know if you have seen this one before sa internet, pero they claim to be the first pika-pika in a box dito sa Pampanga. And I think you're also seeing this for the first time dito sa Where, Pampanga. And we would like to thank Kimchee-geken Oriental Cuisine for sending us this. I will always keep on, mention this. What a great idea. All pika-pika, all of our favorite dish in one box. So guys, if you wanna try this, it's another great way of, parang when you have a small gathering or a family event, potluck sa office, no? This is a great box for you to carry. You can only get this at Kimchee-geken Oriental Cuisine. Make sure to check out their fan page. It's flashing on your screens. And grabe, this is an amazing moment, an amazing time, and I actually enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching Where in Pampanga. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Share it with your friends. Keep safe, guys. I'm gonna see you in the next video. Peace.